Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Brothers and sisters in Islam, one of the greatest virtues of Ramadan, as mentioned in the hadith of Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu, that the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, وَلِلَّهِ عُتَقَاءُ مِنَ النَّارِ وَذَلِكَ كُلَّ يَوْمٍ وَلَيْلَةٍ. And Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he said that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala frees many people. Utaqa meaning he frees many people from the hellfire. And that happens every day of Ramadan and every night of Ramadan. So that is 60 opportunities of being freed from the hellfire. Allahu Akbar. So if you ponder over this matter, there are some people that have been freed from the fire from the very first moment that Ramadan entered. Now we are in the 11th or 10th night, and this is already 20 opportunities of being freed from the hellfire. What does that mean? It means these are people that were bound to the fire. These are people that were from the people of the hellfire. They were going to burn in its flame. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala saved them. He decreed that they will be saved from the hellfire. And if they're saved from the fire and its burning punishment, that means they are people of the paradise. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He said in the Quran, فَمَنْ زُحْزِحَ عَنِ النَّارِ وَأُدْخِلَ الْجَنَّةَ فَقَدْ فَازَ. Anyone who has been moved from the hellfire, he was saved from that path, and he enters the paradise, فَقَدْ فَازَ. He has attained victory and success. This is the definition of success in life and in the hereafter, that you be saved from the fire and you're admitted into the paradise. So when you reflect over this virtue, it makes the believer ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala more and more to free him from the fire. Since this is a virtue, if you want it, and this is every believer's goal, and this is his aim, then you ask Allah Azza wa Jal to free you from the fire. And this can ask Allah Azza wa Jal during the day and during the night and in every moment in Ramadan, because it's happening. And one of the ways that Allah Azza wa Jal frees people from the fire, there are many. I share with you one and I leave you with this. And Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he taught us that anyone who says in the morning, Allahumma inni asbahtu ushhiduka wa ushhidu hamalata arshika wa malaikataka wa jami'a khalqik annaka anta Allahu la ilaha illa anta wahdaka la sharika lak wa anna Muhammadan abduka wa rasuluk. The one who says it once in the morning, Allah frees a quarter of him from the fire. You say it twice, half of you is freed from the fire. 3 times, 3/4, and you say it 4 times in the morning and 4 times in the evening, a person is completely freed from the fire. So we say this bi'idhnillahi ta'ala in the morning after Salat al-Fajr, and we say it in the evening as well after Salat al-Asr, and we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to free us all. Wallahu a'lam, wa sallallahu wa sallam wa baraka ala nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'een.